Hypnosis is a human condition involving focused attention, reduced peripheral awareness, and an enhanced capacity to respond to suggestion. It's effectively used as treatment like pain management, stress, etc. It's used for the greater good. During hypnosis, a person is said to have heightened focus and concentration, and increased response to suggestions. Hypnosis usually begins with a hypnotic induction of having a series of preliminary instructions and suggestions, but sometimes in legend, it ends up being used for their own personal gain. This case proves otherwise. Schizophrenic hypnosis is the term that they used because of this case, and it all begins right here. This story starts in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Everyone is minding their own business. The date is April 4th, 2017. Everything is normal in the city, until something happened that will leave the city in shambles.
Things in mind, but all of they can see the words revealed is the only real thing that I've got left to feel. Just stuck, hollow and alone, and the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along, somewhere I belong. And I've got nothing to say.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sioux Falls Police Department and the Minnehaha County Sheriff's Office. Multiple calls are coming into 911 telecommunications centers saying that people have transformed into non-existent and idle figures. When they investigated, they found people transformed into scarecrows, trees, and even fossils in their own homes. The callers have stated this is because they looked at an unknown person and they hypnotized them to become these objects. It is unknown who this person is. They are a person of interest by the Minnehaha County Sheriff's Office, but residents are advised to close all windows and doors and barricade them if necessary. Thank you.
I will never be anything till I break away from me. I will break away, I'll find myself today.
The whole city was shocked. Even the governor was shocked. And so were the officers who reported to one instance. This was recorded 46 minutes before that message was aired.
Dude, why the f is there a scarecrow in someone's living room? It's not Halloween yet. Why is there a person on the scarecrow? Why on earth is there a person there? You check it, you Annabelle Brown, 74 years old, female. No, this is weird, man. What are we even getting ourselves into? Some Five Nights at Freddy's shit?
Το σώμα σου στέκεται όμορφα στο ξύλο, το σιτάρι σου τρώγει σώμα, τα χέρια σου ελέγχοντα σαν ξύλο, το κεφάλι σου είναι μόνο σιτάρι, κομπιά και ένα κατακόκκινο χαμόγελο που δεν σβήνει, οι δαμήρες σου μας φέρνουν.
And then, the worst happened. 2 hours later, another alert goes by the emergency alert system. They identified the person who has been hypnotizing people.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Office of Emergency Management and Sioux Falls Police Department. The anonymous person that has hypnotized 200 people into idle and extinct objects has now been identified by police. His name is Proteus Hypnosis, commonly referred to as Mr. Hypnosis. Mr. Hypnosis wears a black hood, with spiral eyes, drooling mouth, and wears a black cloak and a spiral shirt inside the cloak, black ripped latex pants with purple legs, and black curled shoes. He also has a green gem necklace that he uses to hypnotize people, and a black obsidian material-like wand with the same green gem as the one with the necklace on the wand's tip. He uses it to transform his victims into whatever he desires his victims to be by casting spells. He is a wizard of transformation, as he calls himself. He has been difficult to apprehend by law enforcement in Sioux Falls. It has also been confirmed that Mr. Hypnosis has began transforming victims to even more figures like snowmans, slime-like creatures, and stone, iron, and golden golems with decorative hieroglyphs. Mr. Hypnosis is extremely hostile and dangerous to approach. If you see Mr. Hypnosis, immediately run away as fast as you can. He only possesses them if you make eye contact with him face to face. Everyone is now prohibited to exit their houses and to self-isolate. Gather necessary essentials such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies like bandages, a first aid kit, and weapons to defend yourself from these creatures. A battery-powered or a hand-crank radio with transmission. This is meant to be taken extremely seriously. Failure to follow these rules, you will face transformation by Mr. Hypnosis or arrest. Thank you for listening to this broadcast. Please stay tuned for more information.
Proteus Hypnosis was causing these issues to unfold in South Dakota. It wasn't until then that things got really worse. The Hypnosis episode got a hold on national television, and this gave Proteus a chance. At 9:35 p.m., this happened.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Τόσο μας είναι τόσο μεγάλο όσο ένας γίγαντας, τόσο μας σκληρό όσο ο Χριστός. Προέρχεσαι από μια περασμένη εποχή, όλες μεταξαρκώθηκες ως ένα χρυσό δωμένο, ο όνειρος σου συνεχίστηκε.
This hijack transformed hundreds of thousands of residents watching, and the U.S. government finally took notice. At 9:46 p.m., an emergency action notification was issued.
Please stand by. A representative of the President of the United States will be speaking shortly as the President is being carried to a disclosed location.
Hello. I am one of the presidential representatives of the United States. I was asked to speak as President Donald J. Trump is being carried to a disclosed location at this time. At 9:35 p.m., an unusual hijack occurred on national television, seemingly transforming hundreds of thousands of residents into stone, iron, and sometimes even golden golem statues with hieroglyphs head to toe in their own residential spaces. This came after a recorded incident in Sioux Falls, South Dakota of a suspect named Proteus Hypnosis transformed about 350 residents into scarecrows, trees, fossils, snowmen, slime creatures, and golem statues with previously zero explanation. Mr. Hypnosis also suddenly vanished from existence shortly after the hijacked broadcast. There is no reason as to why this happened. But because he is now gone, it's now safe to exit your shelters at this time. Thank you for your patience. And may God bless the United States of America.
Your blades are sharpened with precision, flashing your favorite point of view. know you're waiting in the distance, just like you always do, just like you always do. Already pulling me in, already under my skin, and I know exactly how this ends. I let you cut me open just to watch me bleed. Gave up who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know why I'm hoping for what I won't receive. Falling for the promise of the emptiness machine. The emptiness machine.
Before we end this scenario, I would just like to take a moment to thank all of my fans as we just hit 1,000 subscribers. This took 5 years to achieve. I created this channel back in 2020 for content that I liked and decided to inspire that idea with my own creativity. Thank you so much, guys. You are the best of the best. Not to mention, if you've seen my community post, I just recently got surgery, so that's why I haven't been posting as much. So thank you guys so much for the support. Anyways, thanks for watching, and see you later, boys. Peace out.